Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
And it's Stock Movers time. Lots moving, including the banks. Who do we go to? She has a Christmas Club account at Goldman Sachs. Here's Lisa Mateo.
Do we still have those? Yeah. Good morning. Let's start, with the big day for Goldman Sachs. Its shares have been up more than 1%. Posted the best stock trading quarter in Wall Street history. So big day. Yeah, big day for them. Equity trading revenue, $4.3 billion for the second quarter. And that's about $600 million more than what analysts were expecting. So that shows you the perspective of it. It also pushed profit above expectations. So you go to what CEO David Solomon said. And he said the economy, markets generally responding positively to the evolving policy environment. But he did say they remain focused on risk management. Total management fees and asset wealth management rose 11%. That was compared to a year earlier. The only thing, net revenue did dip slightly to $3.78 billion, but overall a great day for Goldman Sachs. From there, we go to Morgan Stanley, ticker MS. Its shares have been down. They've been down as much as 1%. So stock traders still, they posted their best second quarter on record, $3.72 billion in equity trading revenue. That was a 23% jump from a year ago. Wealth Management Union topped expectations too, posted $7.76 billion in net revenue. Morgan Stanley's investment banking fees did fall 5% to $1.54 billion. That was a smaller drop than analysts expected, but its shares still lower this morning before the bell. Then from there, we go to Bank of America, ticker BAC. Its shares have been up more than 1%. Record second quarter. Revenue from fixed income, currencies, commodities trading jumped 19% to $3.25 billion. Equity trading rose 9.6% to $2.13 billion. So those both topped expectations. And then what did CEO Brian Moynihan said? Well, he said consumers, they're resilient. That was what people like healthy spending, asset quality. He also said commercial borrower utilization rates rose. He also said something too. He added that the good momentum in our markets business. He added that as well. And then we take you from banks, we go to chips, and we have to go to Dutch chip equipment maker, ASML. Their share have really taken a hit. Shares have been down as much as 7% in Amsterdam. Right. The CEO kind of walked back the company's sales forecast, pointed to trade disputes, global tensions, said clients delaying commitments until they have a little bit more clarity on tariffs. But the reason why, which I found interesting, is why ASML is so important, because they're the only company that makes these extreme ultraviolet lithography machines that produce these chips to power AI and data centers.
My book of the summer last year was Chip War. It's actually 2-3 years old. It's a brilliant book out of Tufts in Boston. It's a history of it. And one of the unique features of the book is 3 chapters on ASML. And there's only one.
That's it. I didn't.
What they do, no one else does.
Is that right? Okay.
In the Netherlands. Yeah, they're it. Are you done?
And
or
they
is that
produce
it?
NVIDIA's chips.
Yep.
There you go.
Yeah.
There are some restrictions to sales in China, which is their second biggest market last quarter. So that's a little bit of a headwind too. But we'll see, because we did have that positive news out of Washington for the AI chip makers this week.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.